crunching. I just crunching.
You were just crunching it?
So I went to crunch, but it was working. When it was working. I tried. It goes here. No. This goes here. Yes, it does. Anyway, this one goes. This goes here. The book goes there. This one goes.
Honey, please don't put your foot on the puzzle.
I'm just crunching.
I don't want you crunching. Mitchell, no feet. You got one more piece. Yay!